Good morning. So today we will see about energy manager and energy auditor. So who are they? What are their activities? So like for financial accounting, you can see and the auditors. So who audit the financial accounts? And some basic personal finance, income tax filing and all we can do on our own. But if you take the bigger companies, the approved an audit statement you can do with auditor only. So here three types of courses were there: CA, ICWA, ACS. So many filings, many the corporate accounting through the certified auditors only, educated auditors only, we can do that. So similar to that, here energy auditors were also there. So you know the energy demand is keep increasing, the energy cost is keep increasing. So even if you take individual also individual domestic connection, what are the quantity you use and all, if you pay money, the government won't accept. You have to get the approval. With the approved limit only, you can use. Above that, they will put penalty. For any electrical connection, the approved load you have to see. So it's not that we have more money, we can use more electricity. It is not like that. So big electricity consumers and all, they have to produce electricity on their own. So here also for to reduce the electricity, we can do the energy auditing on our own, or the big industries where more electricity is consumed, they will appoint the managers. They will be taking care how to reduce the electricity or energy point of view. Similarly, auditors will they will also sometimes for some requirement they will get external auditor to do the energy auditing. And some government regulations, wherever some beyond certain capacity and all, we have to employ the energy auditor as an employee itself. So for the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that BE is conducting examinations every year, and if you are clearing that exam, you will be given as a certification or approval to practice on our own. 3 subjects if you clear, energy manager they will be giving. 4 subjects if you clear, energy auditor will be giving. So the approved auditors only can do auditing, and for certain regulations, approval and all, with the approved auditor, we have to get the approval, and periodical auditing also we have to do. Okay, this auditing basically what are the equipment conserve, use more electricity, or where the electricity usage is not required. So those items this auditor will check and give the report. Okay, basically. We see the energy manager responsibility. Prepare an annual activity plan and present to management concerning financially attractive investments to reduce energy cost. As you know, the electricity cost is keep increasing. So this is one major expenditure. So we have to prepare in the big industries where more employees are there, more electricity is consumed and all. We have to conduct a lot of activity, and that activity we have to schedule. Okay, so which activity when we conduct like that, the annual activity plans with different kinds of the awareness program, training program. Okay, so this manager have to plan. Establish an energy conservation cell. Okay, within the firm with management concerned about the mandate and task of the cell. You have to get the approval of the management to create this cell. The cell basically, this will give awareness, okay, about this energy conservation. So all people should be aware, okay, the importance of energy usage, the cost associated with that. Okay. Even simply, if you are going outside, you have to switch off the fan lights. Okay, very simple. If it is not in use, you can switch off. And you should go for the required sizes. Very big size, even for example, you lift, you take only that very few persons are there. If you're putting very big lift, it will consume more. So all items we have to see the correct size. Small sizes also will leads to problem. Big size will also leads to problem. In AC, if you put 110 AC and more loads are there, okay, more than the capacity, then it will create problem. Similarly, if some small size going for small size room, going for bigger capacity will also not required, cost will be more. Okay. So initiate activities to improve monitoring and process control to reduce energy cost. So all the activities we have to monitor. Okay, all the process we have to monitor, and each process how much current is consumed or any variation is there. Okay. So all this process activities, all activities you have to consider, you have to monitor. Analyze equipment performance with respect to energy efficiency. Each and every equipment has some rated performance. To that performance, whether that equipment is working or not, we have to see. In many places, many old machineries items will be there, but we may not know about whether even fan, if you take, whether that much rated speed it is running or that much rated power only it is consuming or more consuming. Okay, so how you know? So similar to that, all equipments, all machinery, whether how much this machine has to consume and what should be the rated performance, whether up to the performance it is performing or not, or similarly up to the electricity consumption, when that much only it is consuming or it is consuming more. You have to see that. Similarly, they ensure proper functioning and calibration of instrumentation. Like you have to assess levels of energy consumption directly or indirectly. See, you are doing the, you want to do the energy auditing, energy reduction and all. You will be using a lot of tools, instruments to measure the parameter, different parameter, electrical parameter. That instrument should be properly calibrated. It should function properly. If it is not functioning properly with that instrument, what readings will take, what you will understand. Okay. So prepare information material and conduct internal workshops about the topic further. So workshop means giving awareness for how to operate it, how to change the technology. So then and there inside for the people, in-house employees, we have to conduct workshop and different information material about different equipments, machineries, and all we have to give. So improve disaggregating of energy consumption data down to shop floor level or profit center level. So what is this meaning? Big company, okay, big shop floor, big company, each shop floor, what is the electricity consumption? In any industry, any company, you split it. Okay. It will not be the office or the industrial one, it can be anything. So this floor, how much electricity consumption? Even per mission, this mission, how much electricity consumption? If this mission is used by this person, how much consumption? So per day consumption, per hour consumption. So like that, you have to segregate, okay, to shop floor level. Or if you take the nowadays the housing societies, what is the cost per lift, individually what is the cost of STP motor, for AC, for street lighting, for parking lighting. So like that, for a motor. So wherever this is picked up of electricity consumption, basically. Okay. So example like given for industry, it is for shop level, machine level. Establish a methodology how to accurately calculate the specific energy consumption of various product, services, or activity of the firm. As I said, individual machine, even if you take a 10 lathe machine, which lathe machine is giving better efficiency? If 10 motors are there, which motor is giving better efficiency? Okay, so which person, which even you are breaking and analyzing, which is not required, which is consuming more. So develop and manage training program for energy efficiency at operating level. So whoever is operating, you have to give training to improve the skills, or even to operate, even if you take automobile, okay, cars you take. At what speed, how we have to drive to get the optimal efficiency. Okay, if you drive slow, also the mileage will come down. If you drive fast, also the mileage will come down. So for each vehicle, the optimal speed is there. That the speed we have to do. Then the pattern of driving, you should not put unnecessarily brakes. We should drive in top gear. Okay, and the turnings you have to reduce. So like that, the way you drive is also important, and what speed you are operating. Similarly, this is applicable for all, even any machineries. Okay, how you operate that machine also plays an important role. Develop and manage training program for energy efficiency to operating level. Okay, and coordinate nomination of management person to external programs. So we have to nominate some persons to get training from outside. Okay, it may be the training or workshop or anything. So create knowledge bank on sectoral, national, international development on energy efficiency technology and management system and information denomination. So here, whatever the industry you are, for that industry, you have to create the knowledge bank. Okay, fan means which type of, what are the types of fan, okay, how it will consume. Lights means what are the different types of lights, how it will consume. For that required industry, whatever is required, those information, knowledge should be available so that we can utilize the knowledge. Develop integrated system of energy efficiency and environmental upgradation. Okay, so energy efficiency should be done in integrated way. So all we have to improve the devices, we have to improve the technology, we have to improve the process. If some process is not required, we can avoid it. Okay. So wide internal and external networking. So we have to connect it. So to know about the latest development in technology, or how to operate it, or how to reduce it. So coordinate implementation of energy audit efficiency improvement project through external agencies. If you are not having knowledge, okay, all people will not have knowledge about all the items. So we can aid the external agency to do audit. Okay, so this much electricity bill we are paying per month. So how to reduce it? Where any scope is there for reducing this or not? Okay, for if you have doubt, means can call this external auditing, and we can ask them to audit where and all we can cut the electricity. Okay, now timer is there in our in my college, in all corridors, pathways, light will be there. That is the like a motion sensor light. If in the evening, if you are walking in that corridor, sensing you, light will glow. Okay, if you crossed him, light will switch off. If anybody is coming, light will glow, or if you are moving, means light will switch off. Okay, so this is one very good example. Our college is implementing this in almost all the buildings in all the floors. Okay, so you need not put this electricity lights always. Whenever required, that time you can put it. Okay, in some places, but safety side, road side, and all you have to put always. Okay, in the entrance and all, that is different. So establish and or participate in information exchange with other energy managers of the same sector through association. Okay, we have to must have association. We should discuss. We should exchange the knowledge. So these are energy manager responsibilities. So energy manager duties. Okay, what are responsible duties? This all the points are given by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Okay, we are thanking them for giving those. Okay. See, energy manager duties. You see, report to Bureau of Energy Efficiency and state level designated agency. Once this and all are mandatory norms, so which you have to do. So once in a year, you have to do this audit and you have to submit it like income tax. The information with regard to the energy consumed and action taken in the recommendation of the accredited energy auditor as per the BE format. So this agency is monitoring this aspect, okay, energy conservation aspect. Establish an improved data recording, collection, analysis system to keep track of energy consumption. So we are talking, okay, but how to you note all the readings, how to record it, how to collect it, record it, analyze it. We want to analyze means we have to collect, we have to record, we have to collect. Okay, this and all, and the continuous monitoring or a computer-based monitoring and all, we have to go. So provide support to accredited energy audit firm retained by the company for the conduct of energy audit. Okay, if any audit firm is there, you have to give support to them. Provide information to BV as a demanded in the act. Act means many rules and regulations are there. Energy Conservation Act is also there. Okay, similar to Police Act, similar to many rules and regulations. For energy also, lot of act is there. That act we have to follow. Okay. So prepare a scheme for efficient use of energy and its conservation, and implement such scheme keeping in view of the economic stability of the investment in such firm and manner as may be provided in the regulations of energy conservation. So whatever is given, so we have to adopt and we have to try to do that. This is about energy manager, energy auditors. So one step ahead. So conduct internal audit of individual equipment system of once in a year. So this not be in a year, it is up to you, normally in a year. Individual equipment also you can assess up to the performance it is operating, or overall system also you can assess. Both you have to assess. Auditor duties, submit copies of report to energy managers with recommendation on action. Okay. So energy manager will give a report, you have to submit those. What action you have taken, how you have improved that. Keep record of calibration status of all energy measurement instrument devices. Okay, the calibration details you must have, because without calibrating, if you are doing, everything will waste. It won't be proper. So maintain portable tools by instrument required for audit. Audit means this instrument tools required. Without that, you cannot do auditing. Keep abreast of all codes of practices for energy efficiency testing. So those codes given and all, we should be get familiar, and only we can do auditing better. So be a team member of the external audit team. Okay. So you should also involve in the auditing team. Internally you can do, and externally also you can invite them and do. Okay. So for for mechanical field, for electrical field, this is one of the very good opportunity. So those people can prepare syllabus is given by this Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Examinations you have to take. To clear that, you will become the certified energy manager or certified energy auditor. So you can practice on your own. You can do consultancy, or you can also get job in this field. Okay, this is what I used to say to my student. Okay, this is one unique opportunity. So this eligibility, if you take these branches, they are giving eligible. So for this branch students, they were having edge, and if they are interested, they can involve in this, because nowadays all sectors have to are using electricity, and they are going for this auditing purpose. Okay, thank you.